converting WebP to other formats. Try SysTools WebP Converter Tool. Let's discuss key features. First, wide format support. Convert WebP images to 10+ formats, including PDF, DOCX, PNG, and JPEG. Batch operations. Add, reorder, and remove multiple files or folders with ease. Custom layout. Adjust margins, orientation, and page size for PDFs and docs. Preview and compatibility. Preview images and work on all Windows versions, including Windows 11. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools WebP Converter Tool. Now click on the link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools WebP Converter Tool. On the right, you'll find the first option, Add File, which lets you import individual or multiple WebP. Next is the Add Folder option, allowing you to import multiple folders containing WebP images, perfect for handling larger datasets. Let's click on Add File. Select some WebP images and click Open. Once imported, you'll see the file names in one column, along with their destination paths and file sizes displayed in the right column. Now, let's explore some additional features. The Remove option allows you to delete selected files, while Remove All clears all the imported files. With the Move Up option, you can prioritize a file by moving it to the top of the list. Files at the top will be converted first. Similarly, the Move Down option lowers a file's priority, ensuring it's converted after higher priority ones. In the Destination Path section, the first option is Convert, which is used for file conversion. The Print option allows you to print your images directly. Below you'll see the destination path for the exported files, which is set to the desktop by default. You can change this by clicking the Change button. Now click Next to proceed. This is the Preview panel where you can view the imported WebP images. Use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through the WebP images. Now let's click Next to continue. The Settings panel is now open. The first option is Export Format, where you select the format to export your WebP images. The SysTools WebP Converter Tool offers a wide range of formats, including PDF, doc, HTML, text-based 64, JPG, JPEG, PNG, APN, BMP, WebP, GIF, TIFF, TGA, JPEG 2000, JDK, JPEG 2000, GP2, and HIC. Let's select PDF, though users can choose other formats if needed. Next is the PDF settings. The first option, Create PDF for each WebP image, generates a separate PDF for each WebP images. The second option, Create Single PDF for all images, combines all WebP images into one PDF. Number of WebP images for a single page. Lets you specify how many WebP images should be included on each page of the PDF. Then in PDF Security Settings, Add Document, Open User Password allows you to set a password to protect the PDF file from unauthorized access. Add Restrictions on PDF lets you add a password to prevent editing or modifying the PDF without permission. In the PDF Page Layout settings, Margin setting enables you to adjust the margins of your PDF. Paper Orientation lets you choose between portrait and landscape. Page Size allows you to choose from options like A4, A3, and letter to customize the page dimensions. Each of these 4 document formats has its own unique settings, and the image formats come with their own distinct options as well. Let's explore these settings by selecting any image format. This will open the Image Settings panel. In the Image Conversion settings, the first option is Set Image Quality, where you can adjust the quality using numbers, with the maximum being 100. Next is Resize Image, where you can define the dimensions or resolution in pixels. Let's uncheck these settings for now and select your preferred format for conversion. Users can adjust these settings according to their needs. With all the settings configured, it's time to start the conversion process. Click the Convert button to export your files. Once the conversion is complete, a pop-up window will confirm that the process was successful. Click OK to proceed. A small report is generated. The total file count is 8. The successful file count is 8. And the failed file count is 0. Below that, the destination path for the exported folder is shown in blue. Clicking on this path will take you directly to the exported folder. Go ahead and click on it. Now open one of the PDF files. Let's also open another PDF file to check the results. And that's it. That's how you can convert WebP images using SysTools WebP Converter Tool.
Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.